Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will show you the example from vector geometry. Okay, this example is taken from your textbook. Okay, you can refer if you want to see the example, you can refer to your textbook page 448. Okay, page 448. Okay, now, this is given. PQRS is parallelogram. Okay, this is parallelogram. And then point T divides the line PQ in the ratio 1:3. Okay, point T divide the line PQ in the ratio 1:3. Okay, if you look over here, what does it mean by ratio 1:3? Okay, always remember when they deal with the ratio, okay, 1:3, it means that from P to T over here, from P to T is one unit or one segment. Okay, and then another 3. So meaning from T to Q, this line from T to Q is divided into 3 unit or 3 segment. Okay, so if you look over here, P to T given is 1A. Okay, so automatically from T to Q it will be 3A. Okay, then another one, UVW are the midpoint of SR, PS, and QR respectively. So meaning this is U, midpoint for SR. This is W, midpoint of QR. And then this is V, midpoint of PS. Okay. Given that PT is equal to A, PV is equal to B. Okay. So PT is A, PV is equal to B. Okay. Now, these are the questions we need to answer. Okay, let's start with question number 1. Okay, from the parallelogram, Arif, what is parallelogram? Yes. Okay, they have 2 pair of parallel side. Okay, from the parallelogram, find what is the vector of PQ. Okay, if you look PQ, P is here, Q is here. Okay, so given that PT is equal to 1A, which is 1 unit, TQ is equal to 3 unit, which is 3A. So in order to find PQ, so from P to Q, how many unit, Salihah? Yes, 4 unit. So from P to Q is going to be how many A? 4A. Okay, it's like that. Okay, we look the segment from P to Q, how much? Okay, next question number 2. SU. Okay, SU, U is here. Okay, if you look over here, it says that U is the midpoint of SR. Okay, U is the midpoint of SR. Okay, now, just now, from the information that we know, this shape is parallelogram. If PQ equal to 4A, how much will be SR? Yes, 4A also, because PQ and SR are parallel between each other. So, meaning that U is the midpoint of SR. So, this is 2A, this is also 2A. So total is 4A. So we want to know what is the vector from S to U only. So the answer is how many A? 2A. Okay, that one is simple. Okay, next. PU. Okay, PU. P is up there, the U is down here, the midpoint. Okay, now always remember in chapter vector, in order for you to find what is the vector of PU, the first thing that you can do is identify the path or the route. Okay, create the equation for vector PU. Okay, Ilaf, what is the path that you want to go from P to U? What? Okay. P to S. Okay, okay. So PS then plus SU. Okay. So Elaf choose this direction. So PU is PS plus SU. Okay, actually, in order for you to get the vector of PU, you can go, it's up to you. The direction you can choose. Okay, one of the option is PS plus SU. Or you can go PQ, QR, RU. So choose which one is easier. Okay, so for this one, we are going to go from P to S, and then S to U. So P to S. What is the vector P to S? PV is 1B. So PS is 2B. Plus SU is here, which is 2A. Plus 2A. So if you want to factorize, you will get 2 bracket B plus A. So this is vector PU. Okay, clear so far? Follow? Okay, next. Question number 4. Vx. Okay, Vx. V, this is V. This is X. Okay, if you look over here, V is the midpoint of PS. Correct? Okay, and then X, is it midpoint of VW? Here? VW. Is it X is the midpoint of VW? Yes or no? Ibrahim, this X, is it midpoint of VW or not? Yes, no. Okay, no. So X is not the midpoint of VW. So then, how to find vector of Vx? Okay, so if you look over here, look the line TU. Okay, line TU. Okay, so from here until here, X is somewhere in between of T to U. Okay, TU. Okay, so we can say that X is actually the midpoint of TU. Okay, so first of all, let's create the path first. Okay, let's create the path. So Vx, okay, decide the path that you want to go. So from V to X, let's go Vs, and then Su, and then plus Ux. Okay, Vs, Su, Ux. So from here, Vs, Su, Ux. So I choose Vs, Su, Ux. Okay, you also can go Vp, Pt, Tx. No problem. Okay, so continue. So Vs, what is vector V to S? B. Okay, plus what is vector Su? We found already 2a. So 2a plus, okay, now Ux here, U to X is not given any information of U to X. Always remember, some students, they think that U to X is opposite of B. Is it right or wrong? Putra, right or wrong? Ux is opposite of VP. Wrong, eh? So Ux is not the opposite direction of PV. PV. Because if you look the line Ux and the line VP, it's not parallel. Okay, so you cannot say that Ux is negative of B. No, it's not. Okay, so what should we write over here? Ux. So U to X, X is half of UT. Can you see that? UT. So X is half of UT. Okay, midpoint. So what can you say? So Ux is equal to half of UT. Okay, it's not the answer yet. So continue. Okay, continue. So I will continue over here. So equal. So b plus 2a, okay, plus half, okay, ut. Do we know what is the vector of ut? It is not parallel with sp. Remember that, okay? It's not parallel. So in order to find the vector of ut over here, you need to create another path for ut. Okay, u to t. What is the root? What is the equation of the vector for ut? Okay, so from here I can see we can go. So you see, I will start with the bracket. This is the path to get ut. Okay, so we will go us plus sp plus pt. You see, us sp pt, that is equivalent with ut. How to know that your path is right or wrong? U, so make sure you start with letter u. T, make sure your last letter must be t. Okay, then fill in the information. So b plus 2a plus half, okay, bracket, us. What is us? Is it 2a? No. So what is it? Negative 2a. So negative 2a. Why negative? Opposite direction. Okay. Then sp. How much is sp? sp is opposite of ps. So it's going to be minus 2b. Okay. Plus pt. What is pt? Is given here. pt is equal to a. So I will put a. Okay. Then simplify lah. So b plus 2a plus half in bracket. So negative 2a plus a is negative a. Then minus 2b. So this is equal to b plus 2a. Okay, when you expand the bracket, you get minus half a. So half multiplied by 2, you can cross this one. So you get minus b. So b minus b, 0. So 2a minus half a. So the answer is going to be 3 over 2 a. So this is our final answer for Vx. Okay, you see the process. If you create the path, and then for this ux, you use the ratio. Okay, here I use the ratio of half of ut, and then from ut create another path for ut until you get in terms of a and b like this. Then the rest is just algebra, just simplify. Okay, so far any question? Clear, eh? Okay. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. So I will continue over here lah. That is question number 5 in your textbook. It says that show that or prove that XR. This is the question from your textbook. Okay, XR is equal to half of 5a plus 2b. Okay, half of 5a plus b. Okay, yeah, correct. So we need to prove this. Okay, show that XR is equal to half of 5a plus 2b. So x to r. So this is x over here, r is here. Okay, xr. So what can we do? We can create the path first. Okay, from x to r, you need to decide what is your path. Okay, so solution. Okay, this is solution I write down here. Solution for question number 5. So XR. So from X we want to go to R. So choose the path that you think will be easy for you. Okay, so for this case, what I will do is I will see from the information that is found here. Okay, so I will create the path X to R. So from here we know that XV, okay, I will go from X to V. Okay, from X to V. You can also go from XU, UR, no problem. Okay, but I want to go XV. So XV plus VS plus SR. Okay, XV plus VS plus SR. Okay, why do I choose XV? Why don't I go XU? Why? Zach? Why? Why I go XV? Why not XU? XU is shortcut. But why I go another way? XV. Because, yes? Correct. Because of this. Question number 4. Okay? So if you look question number 4 said VX. Okay? So this is XV. Okay? So XV is opposite of VX. Okay, so what is VX? 3/2A. So XV will be negative 3/2A. Okay, then VS. What is VS? 1B. Plus, what is SR? 4A. 4A. Okay, so this is equal to how much? So negative 3/2A plus 4A. So it becomes 5/2A. So 5/2A plus B. So don't leave your answer like this. You must make sure you answer in the form of here. They ask you to factorize half, but we don't see any half over here. So what can you do is, this is B/1. So you multiply by 2 over here, you multiply by 2 over here. So you will get equal to 5/2A plus 2B/2. Then we take out half outside. So we take out half outside. So half in bracket 5A plus 2B. Okay, so this is same. Okay, clear? Any question? No? Okay, so next I want you to try to do the exercise that is attached in the post in Edmodo. Okay, I will attach question in the post in the Edmodo. Okay, so that's all for today. Assalamualaikum.